Alright, good morning everyone. Now before I jump into caulking this ensuite and showing you how that's done, I'm just going to gloss over what's happening out in the paddock and the orchards. Izzy from Wetland Creations and his crew are here. They're actually going to flatten off a lot of that area and fill in the dam. The boys from Blue Marlin Pools, they've actually done a few truckloads of clean fill. They've dropped that off. That's actually free from them because they do a lot of their pool dig outs. They can't get rid of their fill, so they give it away for free. So that's working out for us beautifully. We've got some soil to fill in the dam. Mitch and his partner, they're from Just a Veggie Patch. They are relocating a bunch of the plants from that old area where the veggie boxes and roses and things used to be. We're getting them out of the way to get the soil nice and flat and consistent. There may be a retaining wall to build next to the water tanks, but I'll show you the area they're working in for now, and then we'll jump into the ensuite and get that finished off. Alright, at a guess, what's happening now is just a bit of a veggie scrape and a topsoil scrape. We want to put that to the side so that we can put that back on top by the time we're done. We don't want all this shitty clay at the top of the surface, so we'll get that at the bottom, fill the dam up. We'll probably remove this hump that's in the middle. That's what the excavator's sitting on top of right now. So that hump will be removed. The earth up the top here will get flattened out, and hopefully all the groundwater will just run off and won't be too much of an issue. But there is going to be a lot of earthwork happening now. One, to just get the land looking nicer, and two, to control the water.